The magnificent tree. In a faraway land, tucked away behind the rolling hills and shimmering lakes, stood a magnificent mango tree named Erish. Erish was not an ordinary tree. She was extraordinary. Tall and sturdy, her branches reached up to the sky, providing shade and comfort to all who sought refuge beneath her. One fine day, dark clouds began to gather in the sky. Drops of rain splattered on the ground, creating little puddles. The animals of the forest hurriedly scurried for cover. The birds flew to their nests, the rabbits dived into their burrows, and even the boar sought shelter under the bushes. But Irish noticed that some animals were still trapped outside, unable to find a safe place. She swayed gently in the wind, feeling troubled for her friends in need. Irish was a loving and caring tree, and she couldn't bear to see her fellow creatures suffer. With a plan forming in her leafy branches, Irish beckoned the animals to come closer. The tiny rabbits, the shy birds, and the brave boar gathered around the tree. Irish stretched out her branches, offering a helping hand to those in need. The chicken hopped onto the branches, finding a dry and safe spot to rest. The birds nested between the leaves, protected from the rain, and the rats playfully jumped from branch to branch, enjoying the shelter provided by Irish loving embrace. As the rain poured down, Irish shielded the animals from the harsh weather. Her branches formed a protective canopy, keeping them dry and warm. The animals felt grateful for Irish's selfless act of kindness. After the storm had passed, the sun peeked through the clouds, casting a warm glow on the rejuvenated forest. The animals thanked Irish and bid her farewell. They promised to return whenever they needed a soothing haven. Irish stood tall, her green leaves swaying happily in the gentle breeze. She was content, knowing that she had made a difference in the lives of her friends. The memory of helping others filled her branches with joy. The